Hey, what's going on, guys? In this one, we start working on a Fox body Mustang. We're going to try and get this thing in the 10s. Kind of crappy video. We're busy trying to get this thing done because it's getting ready to go out for paint. But what we got here is a On3 Performance turbo setup that we've modified a little bit for this setup. And it's a 362. It's been bored, stroked, all that good stuff, and this is what we got so far. Take a look at it. We'll be getting into this car a little more in depth as we go along with it. We were just in a rush to get everything done on it, so this is where we're at right now. Take a look.
You don't want to talk about how we're welding on a real car?
A real car? No. at right now with this thing until the Holly EFI comes in. We get it back from paint. We finish up some plumbing and stuff like that. Then we'll get out and start doing some tuning. And then hopefully we'll hit the track with this thing and see what we can do. Play with the suspension, get the car to go straight. And yeah, all that good stuff that leads into trying to get where we want to get with it on times. But thanks for watching, guys. We'll have more coming soon.